ladies and gentlemen. The awards presented by the stars of the industry group, United States of America, and substantiated with the process by Bloomberg UTV, powered by them. It not just recognizes those talented leaders in education that have contributed to the nation building and the building of the society at large, but it also looks at those social entrepreneurs who believe that they could make a big difference to the business of education. To do this honors, may I first invite on stage CEO at the group and apex level of DHL, Malcolm Monteiro. Joining him on stage is Shaila Mehta. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go. We have amidst us those iconic vice chancellors who have made a big difference to the business of education by being social change agents and by being leaders of tomorrow. I'm pleased to invite Dr. K. Ramnarayan, Vice Chancellor of Manipal University, to step up and receive the award. Joining Dr. K. Ramnarayan is Dr. M.K. Mishra, Vice Chancellor, University of Lucknow. Joining Dr. M.K. Mishra on stage is Professor Harish Pad, Vice Chancellor of the Sardar Patel University, Gujarat. Joining them is Professor Madhusudana Kurup, Vice Chancellor, Kerala University of Fisheries and Ocean Studies. Joining him is Dr. M.K. Padalia, Vice Chancellor, Saurashtra University, Rajkot. I'm going to present the Bloomberg Powered B School Excellence Award for outstanding contribution to education. And ladies and gentlemen, there could be no other person but the very veteran Professor Y.K. Bhushan for this highest honor that we wish to confer upon him. A woman of great substance. As a dean of the IIM Ahmedabad, she rewrote the history of management education and concepts very beautifully. Our very prestigious award of Hall of Fame is going to be presented to none other than Dr. Indira Parekh, President of FLAME. Ladies and gentlemen, I have two winners for Innovative Leaders in Education Award. My first winner, a researcher, a professional of very high caliber. May I please invite you, Professor Chetan Vakalkar, to step up and receive your Innovative Leader in Education Award. May I please invite Dr. R.K. Mishra, Director of IPE. The Achiever and Leader Award. I get enamored with the amount of energy this gentleman puts into making a difference to the lives of many. Dr. R.P. Banerjee, Director, Eastern Institute of Integrated Learning in Management. Thank you, Malcolm. Thank you, Shaila Babi. To do the next set of honors, may I please invite the very celebrated author, the very celebrated thinker, Jayanti Ghose. Joining her on stage will be Dr. Sagarika Ghoshal, Diversity and Inclusion Leadership Expert. May I invite Dr. Rajan Saxena, Vice Chancellor, NMIMS University, to receive the Nurture of Talent Award. Congratulations. For getting the Best Placement and Brand Marketing Officer title, may I please invite Jaydev of Head Brand Building and Fundraising of the International Institute of Information Technology, Hyderabad. Best Domain Specific B School, I'm pleased to present the award to Symbiosis Institute of Telecom Management. May I invite Symbiosis Institute of Telecom Management to receive their accolade today. Congratulations, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, I always get encouraged with commerce, and commerce really means our ability to translate our business ideas into a profitable reality. Inspirational leaders being presented to Ashok and Madhu Chitkara of the Chancellors of the Chitkara University. May I request Dr. Tarita Shankar, Chairperson of the Indira Group of Institutes, to receive her Exemplary Leader Award. Best Cloud-Based Education Institute Management System. The award is presented to HCL Institute Management System. As you know, packaging constitutes more than 36% of a consumer's attention in buying habits, as they say. And if your buying habits are sensible enough, you look at the package and you buy them. The best institute in packaging, the Indian Institute of Packaging. Congratulations. All right, can you imagine what competition can do to you? Competition brings the best out of you. For the best students in management, you are privileged to present these to the Chaitanya Naidu Indira School of Business Studies to receive his accolade, along with Anshu Rakesh Sharma of the IBS Mumbai. And along with them will be Nikhil Awad of the Indira College of Engineering and Management. Let's hear it for them. There are very special jury awards for those schools who have contributed to the development of emerging business. So best emerging B schools, as we call them, FLAME, Foundation for Liberal and Management Education. May I request you to receive your accolade. Joining FLAME is the Indira Global Business School. Joining them is Symbiosis School of Banking Management. Congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, Best B School with Innovative Marketing Practices. And here are the winners. IBS Mumbai. May I please invite you, IBS Mumbai, to receive your award. Joining IBS Mumbai is NMIMS University. Joining them is the International School of Business and Media. Joining them is the Delhi Business School. Ladies and gentlemen, to do the next set of honors, may I please invite on stage Mr. Sanjay Muthal, Managing Director of New Grid Consulting. Joining him will be on stage the very talented Head of Marketing of Blue Dart, Ketan Kulkarni. Outstanding B School North, may I please invite Chitkara University to receive the award along with IIPM and Punjab College of Technical Education. First, Chitkara University. And Punjab College of Technical Education for you. The very talented professionals. Congratulations, winners. We're looking at the best business schools in South. The winners are IP Hyderabad, along with Loyola Institute of Business Administration. They will be supported by the Department of Management Studies, National Institute of Technology, Trichy. Wow, thank you for coming to us from Trichy, ladies and gentlemen. And joining them is ICBM School of Business Excellence. ICBM School of Business Excellence, if you admit us.
We are indeed honored to have this award, and we have been getting it year by year, year on year for many awards.
Thank you, receivers of the award. Now from South, from Idlis and Meduvaras, let me take you to Rasagullas and Mishti Doi in the East. Ladies and gentlemen, for Outstanding Business Schools East, the following are the winners. EIILM, Eastern Institute for Integrated Learning in Management. Vinod Gupta School of Management, may I please invite you to receive your award. Let's go to the Outstanding B Schools in the West. Ladies and gentlemen, here are the winners. Indira Group of Institutes, may I invite you to receive your accolade this afternoon. Joining them for being great business schools in the West is FLAME, Foundation for Liberal and Management Education, FLAME. Joining them is Sydenham Institute of Management Studies, Research and Entrepreneurship Education. Congratulations to the winners. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Let's look at industry interface, and the following are the winners. Ladies and gentlemen, Shobhaben Pratap Bhai Patel School of Pharmacy and Technology Management. For this set of awards, may I also invite Accurate Institute of Management and Technology to receive their award. Also is Symbiosis Institute of Operations Management for being the best in industry interface. IBS Ahmedabad, it was the honor of coming up on stage. Congratulations. For those who have the best curriculum in the field of marketing, here are the winners. Goa Institute of Management, may I please invite you on stage. GIM. For the best industry-related curriculum in advertising, and I'm pleased to present this award to National Institute of Advertising, NIA. B School with industry-related curriculum in communication. There are 3 winners, and I request all 3 of them to step up. XIM, Xavier's Institute of Communication. ISB&M School of Communication, and Symbiosis Institute of Media and Communication. So B School with industry-related curriculum in human resources. The winners are Tata Institute of Social Sciences, TISS. Along with TISS is Symbiosis Center for Management and HRD. And Loyola Institute of Business Administration, LIBA. Congratulations. For B School with industry-related curriculum in retail, we have Future Innoversity. Along with them is the IPE School of Retail, and along with them is the Indira School of Retail, run and managed by the Indira Group of Institutes. Congratulations to the winners. Ladies and gentlemen, B School with industry-related curriculum in operations management, and here are the winners. NITI, National Institute of Industrial Engineering. Joining them is the Symbiosis Institute of Business Management, SIBM, and my favorite, Rajiv Gandhi Indian Institute of Management, Shillong, are the winners. I'm also going to request you to be here and confer for international business the award to Department of Management Studies, Anna University, to receive the award. Joining Anna University is the Indian Institute of Foreign Trade, IIFT. Congratulations to the winners. Congratulations. B School with industry-related curriculum in information technology. Ladies and gentlemen, and here are the winners. Veer Mata Jijabai Technological Institute. College of Engineering, Pune. May I invite you to step up on stage. National Institute of Technology, Warangal. And Indraprastha Institute of Information Technology. Thank you, presenters. To do the last set of awards, may I please invite on stage Dr. Shaugata Mitra. Joining Dr. Shaugata Mitra is Ramola Mahajani, the most eminent psychologist in the field of HR. We are going to confer the Best Teacher in HR award, and the winners are Professor Samir Pingle of the Institute of Management, Nirma University. Dr. Rajiv Dar of the MIT School of Business. For Best Teachers in Marketing Management, may I please invite Professor J. Kavita of the ICE BM School of Business Excellence. Professor J. Kavita. Ladies and gentlemen, for Best Teacher in Operations Management, Professor P. Chandiran of the Loyola Institute of Business Administration. Professor P.K. Kapoor of the University of Delhi, and Professor O.S. Vaidya, Professor O.S. Vaidya of the IIM Raipur. Ladies and gentlemen, for Best Teacher in Financial Management, may I please invite Professor K. Janardhanam, Head, Canara Bank School of Management Studies, Bangalore University. Professor Viren Tatake of the Indira College of Engineering and Management. Dr. I.M. Pandey of the Delhi School of Economics, University of Delhi. Thank you, Ramola. Till I get you back, Saugata will be on stage. For the last honors, may I please invite Mr. Harish Mehta, co-founder of NASSCOM, on stage to present the last set of awards. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Harish Mehta on stage. Best Teacher in Information Technology, Dr. L. Suganti, Professor and Head, Department of Management Studies, Anna University. And Dr. G. Kanabiran, National Institute of Technology, Tiruchirappalli, on stage, please. Best Teacher in General Management, Professor Ashish Pavaskar, Sydenham Institute of Management Studies and Research and Entrepreneurship Education. We are going to do the last honors with B School Leadership Awards, and I'm pleased to invite Department of Business Administration, University of Lucknow, to step up to receive their award today. Joining them is Centurion School of Rural Enterprise Management. There is also the B School Leadership Award being conferred upon National Institute of Rural Development. Ladies and gentlemen, National Insurance Academy, may I invite you to receive your accolade. Ladies and gentlemen, Indian Institute of Health Management Research, may I please invite you to receive your accolade. Doon Business School, may I please invite you to receive your accolade, ladies and gentlemen. For the Outstanding Business School overall. And these parameters are the parameters related to academics, related to placement, and related to the overall achievements of the business school. And I'm pleased to request you lovely people to confer the Outstanding Business Schools to two business schools. One is Foundation for Liberal and Management Education, and the Indira Group of Institutes. As I close this program, I must mention to you the tremendous sense of achievement that I feel having directed this program. It's completely on merit. We have nothing beyond what we are doing at stake excepting shaping the character and destiny of our country. We realize that vision with action can change the world. If we get together, unite ourselves to change the world, we would perhaps set those benchmarks as we have never set before. Thank you so much.